Hey, so if Brave private tabs aren't opening properly or you're getting errors in private mode, yeah, it can be confusing at first. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave private tab issues step by step. Alright, first, close Brave completely and reopen it. Sometimes private mode glitches are just temporary. Make sure you're opening private mode correctly. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac. Now check your extensions. Some add-ons can break private tabs, so disable them temporarily and test again. Go to Extension Settings and make sure each extension is allowed in private mode, or turn them off if they're causing issues. Next, clear your browsing data. Corrupted cache can sometimes stop private windows from loading properly. Brave is updated to the latest version. Older versions can have bugs in private browsing. If the issue still happens, reset Brave settings to default. This removes misconfigurations causing private tab errors. As a last option, uninstall and reinstall Brave. This fixes deeper system-level issues. And yeah, that's it. Once these fixes are done, Brave private tabs should work normally again without errors.